Did you know there's a way you can live for free? This is the one thing that I wish I had done personally earlier on in life. It's called house hacking, and in this video, I'm gonna go over everything you need to know. Hey guys, welcome to Tank Top Financing, where we take money seriously, but not much else. I'm your Alpha Bro Brett. I'm here in the finance laboratory, and in this video, we're talking about house hacking. Now, house hacking is more than just a weird word for cyber criminals. It's actually a really good real estate investment strategy. It's where you buy a multi-family unit house, also known as a broplex. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? You live in one side and you charge rent to whoever lives in the other unit or units. Now, this is different from car hacking, where you live in your car to reduce your expenses, also known as being homeless. You can do this with biplexes, with triplexes, or with quadruplexes. And the idea is that people pay you rent in order to cover all or a portion of your mortgage. Now, this is ideally less than it would cost you to rent or own somewhere else, if not be entirely free. So not only are your expenses lower, someone else is paying down your mortgage, which is increasing your equity. Kind of like a group project in high school when everybody else did the work, but we got the C-. Now, you might be out there wondering, why should I even house hack? I don't even like computers. One of the big reasons is cash flow. As I mentioned before, if you buy the right property, somebody's paying a portion or all of your mortgage, so you're living for free. But if you're really a Jedi Master, you'll make so much cheddar that not only does it cover all of the mortgage, but after all of the expenses are paid, you still have some money left at the end. So now you're literally making money to live somewhere else for free. But that's only one piece of the protein pie. The single best thing about house hacking is the financing. Any property 4 units or less that you live in qualifies for an FHA mortgage. Why does that matter? Because with FHA mortgages, you only need to come up with a 3.5% down payment. If you're trying to go out and buy a rental property that you're not gonna live in, you have to come up with 20%. 3.5% is less than 20%, because math. Now keep in mind, you gotta live in it and it's gotta be 4 units or less. Now, because the down payment's only 3.5%, now we don't have to save up 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 in order to get into some of these larger multifamily units. Last thing with house hacking that I really like, if you're really trying to become a real estate Megatron, it's good landlord experience. It's good for you to build the skills personally to know what it's like, but it's also good for you on paper. So when you go down the road for bigger projects, bigger units, you can lean on your past experience and the bank can look at you and say, oh, this person's done this before. They're much more credible, and you have a much better chance of successfully getting through underwriting if you've done it before. So whether you're trying to become a real estate muggle, author, and eventual greatest president of the United States, or you're just looking for a way to make money off of your friends legally, house hacking is a good supplement to add to your financial nutritional plan. If you haven't already, bench press that like button, quarter squat that subscribe button, and ring that clunk alarm bell so you know when I drop my next money hitter. Warmest regards, me.